Hey guys, I thought I'd make a quick video on Manus AI. So I've been using Manus AI for a while now, almost for a month, and it's been super useful. And one of the other things about Manus AI is the really good free tier that they have. So you start off with 1,000 credits, and every time you refer a friend, you get 500 credits as well. And it's like on public beta right now, so it's accessible by everyone. So it has an insanely good free tier. And like it gets refreshed, you get 300 credits each and every day. So you can perform like 2 tasks every day, like really like deep research stuff. So I thought I'll just like walk you through this, and we can give it like a really complex task. So I want to get a list of mutual funds and stocks that I can invest in India for an SIP, right? So I'll give Manus my profile. Help me create. I can invest about 50,000 rupees in India every month. So it's almost like an SIP, and I'll give it some criteria. I can invest them in mutual funds, stocks, and crypto. So I've given it a basic prompt, and I'll add more conditions. I'll give it my age. I'm around 25 years old, and I want to create wealth. So I'm telling it that it's more to create wealth rather than wealth, like keep it secure. So it'll give me like a little bit risky. I think it'll give me a mix this thing. So let's try this out. And one of the most interesting things I like about Manus is the way it thinks. So okay, yeah. So it asked me some follow-up questions. So are you comfortable with high risk, potentially high returns? So I would say, okay, yes, I'm comfortable with risky assets. I'm okay with that. And the second one, it asks general wealth creation and what's my investment horizon. So I would say long term. So yeah. So I've given it all this information, and now it'll go ahead and like create a. So the best part is Manus is completely an agentic workflow, meaning there is a lot of. So in this case, yeah, if you can see, like first it gathers all the information from the user and it creates a plan. So in this case, it basically breaks this entire thing down into smaller subtasks, right? So gather the information, and then the best part about Manus is computer usage, and that's the reason it's really good. So what happens is a separate virtual computer or a virtual server gets allocated to Manus, and it has ability to code, it has ability to search through websites, it has ability to debug scripts. So it's almost like having a research intern who can go ahead and like perform the task that you've given. So as you can see that Manus is going through different websites and it's like gathering all the information. And here it's kind of created like subtasks and stuff. So this will take a while. Let's come back and we'll see what happens. Until that time, we can see how Manus is operating its computer. Okay, so a quick midway check-in, and yeah, it seems that Manus has completed the current task, and let's just go through it and see how good the plan is. So as you can see, it has actually executed a command. So this is compiled it into a PDF. So let's have a look at the PDF. And one of the other cool things about Manus is that once you create some sort of investment plan or anything like that, you can automatically ask it to create a website that you can refer to and go ahead, right? So, okay, it gave me an allocation, and I think the best part about this is it gives actual results, right? Like instead of saying things like invest this much in stocks, it will give you exactly where you can put it. So it gave me a Nippon India small cap fund, right? And these are actually really good results. Examples of high growth stocks, right? So I can even ask it like follow-up question. So here was this thing. And the other good thing is like you can just rate it and you can get more credits, right? Where's my money in the above plan? That is 50K rupees. So now it goes ahead and like using the existing state, it will give me an exact plan. So yeah, so it gave me this, but it's not able to give me exact split of how much in each stock or how much each mutual fund, which I can probably take this as a base and again run an agent and create this. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And this is just idea, like, this is for investment, but you can do this for a lot of things, right? So one more thing that I recently did is I planned out an entire Vietnam trip for 30 days. I gave it a like a map like of where I want to go, and it gave me a plan. So it's really good at marketing strategy and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's an amazing tool, one of the best vibe researching tools, I would say. And yeah, that's pretty much it.